I'm going to show you how to install Devin AI, a fascinating AI development environment. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned coder, this step-by-step guide will help you open Devin AI and run it smoothly. Head over to Devin repository on GitHub. Here you'll see a quick demo and installation requirements. The instructions may change over time, so always double check the latest ones. You'll need two main things to get started: Docker and Node.js. Go to Docker's official website and download the version suitable for your OS. Do the same for Node.js. Make sure to install the latest version for best compatibility with Devin AI. Open Visual Studio Code or your preferred terminal, and set up your Python environment. To do this in VS Code, press Ctrl-Shift-P on Windows, and select Python. For your interpreter, choose Conda, and as the interpreter if you've installed Miniconda. Now go back to the GitHub repository and copy the cloning link. Type in git clone and the repository link in your terminal. After cloning, locate the configuration file in the project folder, rename it from template to config.conf. Then open the file and input your API key in the designated field. In the terminal, run python/m pip install pipenv to install the necessary backend requirements. Now you can activate the virtual environment with the command pipenv shell. Then you can activate the virtual environment with the command. Then start the backend server using the command uvicorn open devin app port 3000. This launches the backend, making it accessible to the frontend. Now navigate to frontend in the directory in your terminal, then run npm install to set up the frontend dependencies. After that, just run npm start to launch the frontend on localhost 3000. With Devin AI running, you can now interact with it. For example, let's create a quick Celsius to Fahrenheit converter. This demonstrates OpenDevin's ability to create basic functions through agent-driven coding. Devin AI is still developing, so it may feel a bit hacky, but it has huge potential for automating repetitive development tasks.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.